Hello everyone, welcome back to today's video on my channel. This is going to be my first ever of the new year plan with me video featuring my brand new 2021 Day Designer in the daily flagship format. So I hope you guys enjoy. Don't forget to subscribe, check out my last upload, be sure to give this video a thumbs up. We are again aiming for 500 subscribers now, and we're just gonna go ahead and get started. As you can see here, I am filling out the section of my planner that I mentioned to you all in the review unboxing video I recently uploaded. Be sure to watch that if you haven't, but it's basically the part 1 to this video. And this was the page I mentioned that the planner has one full sheet that allows you to write down any birthdays, anniversaries, or important dates throughout the year. So I'm using my phone to do this, and I messed up on one of them, so I just went back with my Tombow corrector, and then I'm going back over it, and I actually decided to use my gold Papermate Ink Joy gel pen. I've never used it, and I'm glad I did. I love how it came out. It really stood out on the page. Moving on to the monthly spread for January. I am so excited how this turned out, and I'm really proud of myself. I'm using these golden washi tapes that came in a set. I bought at Michael's like a couple years ago, honestly, and I forgot I had them. And you get a whole long tube of different gold washi tapes, and they're by the brand Recollections. I absolutely loved using these in the planner. I think it really paired well with all the gold trimming and detail that's already designed on the planner. Plus the pattern that I have, which I showed you guys, is the cheetah print with the gold markings and the spots. And then I'm adding one of my beautiful, fabulous girl stickers from the sheet I ordered like last year from the shop on Etsy called Lavin Forest. I will be sure to link her shop down below in the description box if you're interested. But this is absolutely one of my favorite shops to get stickers from. Any of the like black girl stickers, I really do love them. So I'm using the 2 gold washi tapes in the set that actually match in pattern, but they're like polar opposites. Like one is white background and gold, and then the other one is gold with the white gold background with the white trim. So I added those, and then I'm just going back in to add any important things I can think of. Like I have a few doctor's appointments throughout the month, so I'm actually going in and adding those. And then I'm pulling this other sticker book I have by Amy Tangerine. I actually have had this for a while, and I have so many stickers in here that I still haven't used, so I decided to pull a lot of her gold stickers from the book. So this one just says the bright side, because we all need to see the bright side in 2021, okay? And now I'm taking a blue Sharpie highlighter to color code those doctor's appointments. I typically like to do a nice lighter shade of blue for some reason. And then I'm taking my gold Papermate Ink Joy pen once again to actually go and color in January. And I actually love how that came out. Like I said, I've never even used the gold pen from the set. I have the entire set of all the different colors, and it's actually really, really pretty. It's really nice, and it really pops out on the page. And then because I want everything to really be cohesive and go together seamlessly, I'm using the same washi tape patterns that I showed you guys already, not only for the monthly spread, but I'm also using them to incorporate on the daily pages that you'll see in a minute. So I'm just going back and doing the other side of the page now. I guess I should invest in one of those tripods that allow me to show this all in one scene, so I don't have to film 2 separate clips. But it's okay, you guys get the point. And I've not used washi tape in a long time, you guys, in my planner, and I'm glad I did. I mean, you all see I have to go back and trim some of the edges. You know, I'm not the best at that, but overall I cleaned it up and it looks really good. I'm taking another sticker from the Amy Tangerine book, and I'm going to be adding it to the top corners here of the calendar. It's just an arrow that I thought would look really nice, and I love how it pops on the page as well. Honestly, like, I really love this gold theme, because I actually had stickers, you guys, that I already ordered to start using for my January spread. I ordered from some Etsy shops, and I also ordered online from Michael's, and all of my orders got delayed. So thankfully I found all of this planner supplies. That's all I have left, honestly, but I found it in the back of my drawers, and I was like, well, I will just come up with a theme that'll be creative and look nice. And the gold, I actually really do love it. So I'm just going to keep using that for now, and I might incorporate some of my stickers whenever they get to me. But yeah, my orders are still behind. I've checked tracking today, and I still didn't get anything yet. So now I'm going back and just double checking my monthly overviews to make sure I had all the birthdays and everything written down for January. And then I'm gonna add a little, this really wasn't necessary now that I go back and look at it, and it bugs me a little bit, but I don't want to take it off now because it is stuck to the page really well. But I added this little border trim sticker to the bottom of the page at some point. But in the meantime, I'm adding this little man sticker on Martin Luther King Jr. Day. Oh, here's the little border sticker. Yeah, now that I go back and look at it, I don't like it as much as I thought I was gonna like it, but I couldn't decide if I wanted to put a strip of washi at the bottom of this page or if I wanted to just stick with the sticker. I kind of wish I did washi, but it's okay. Now I'm taking this other sticker from the Amy Tangerine book, and I believe it says Life of Gratitude. Yes, it says Life of Gratitude, and I'm just adding this on the opposite page, and there you can kind of see we're moving into my daily pages. And because I'm a couple days behind on filming this video for you guys, I'm sorry about that. I've already done like my first few pages, of course, of daily planning, but I'm going to show you guys how I set up the one for today on this video. So I'm filling out the week ahead, just briefly, things off the top of my head I know that we're going to be doing or that are coming up that need to be done. And now I'm moving on to the daily page. So I'm just filling it out with things I know I really wanted to work on. Like, I wanted to finish filming this plan with me video for you guys today. And then, well, technically, when you see this on my channel, this will actually be the next day. I pre-filmed it the day prior to this, but it's okay. So I'm just putting all of the top 3 priorities, and then I'm filling out dinner. I made like a baked pasta for dinner this day. And then don't forget that I need to work on setting up a little business meeting for one of the businesses that I am working on with some family members. So be on the lookout for that, ladies. And now I'm going and adding, I decided to cover up the notes box of this page. I don't always use the note space, so a lot of the time in my past day designers, I actually leave that box blank. I personally don't need a lot of extra notes because I feel like you already get a lot of space to write in the to-do section and your hourly schedule section of the page. Yeah, so I think going forward, if I don't have anything I absolutely need to put there, I'll just cover it with washi like I did here. And I actually love the washi on covering up that space. Then I fill out my daily gratitude already. Sometimes I will fill that out at night if I'm planning at nighttime, but in this case I was planning in the morning, and I decided to go ahead and fill it out. Now I switched it up here. Usually I just put everything in black ink, but I decided to do the to-do list in a blue ink. And then I forgot that I was still using the blue ink, you guys. So that's why my schedule section is started in a blue ink. And then I went back to the black ink. So I'm just filling all of that out. Ideally, what I typically am going to be doing today, not a lot. My main thing, like I said, this day was getting my YouTube video finished and going and completing the editing in its entirety. So I also knew I was going to work on writing out the grocery list that we'll need because this weekend is our weekend to grocery shop. So I worked on that as well. I added another little strip of washi tape. You guys are seeing me do that now. And I think I went back and added a little bit something else. Oh, just some things like, you know, doing a story time with Kaya again. And that completes this Plan With Me video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Hopefully I didn't talk too fast, but you guys kept up with it. And I'm right now just showing you a full overview. I love you all so much, and I will see you in my next video. Please make sure you subscribe to my channel, and if you guys want to see me film Plan With Me videos for each month of 2021, please let me know in the comment section of this video, and I will absolutely love to film that for you guys. Especially for February. I always do something cute because it's Valentine's Day. Alright guys, I love you, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.